Today in this video, I'm going to show you the 5-minute best trading strategy which can recover your losses very fast. And this trading strategy is heavily accurate. Like you can see on the screen, the results are quite massive. And today I'm going to show you that how you can maximize this strategy for the maximum profits. So before I jump into this video, if you have not subscribed my other YouTube channel that is in the name of Secret Trading Unmasked, then please find the link of the YouTube channel in the description of this video below. I have already shared a lot of secret trading strategies, so please make sure that if you don't want to miss any useful content, then you need to subscribe that particular YouTube channel. Okay, about this strategy, this is better than using the moving average indicators and all the other indicators, because this indicator is kind of a all-in-one indicator that is providing you the key buy and sell signals with the proper confirmations. Okay, so I'm going to remove this trading setup from my screen and going to the indicator section again. And one more thing, guys, if you're looking for the best broker to use which does not give you any problem regarding the deposits and withdrawals, especially if you want fast withdrawals, I'm using this broker from 2015. The link of the broker is provided in the description of this video below. Okay, now come to the indicator point, and here we need to write bridge bands. Okay, so when you write bridge bands, then we need to choose the indicator, the bridge bands by Joe Cat, and the name of author is Celeb Sanford. Okay, so sorry for my bad throat. Okay, so when we click that indicator, it basically look like this, like it is a kind of a green and red combination. If we go into the settings, then you will realize one thing, that it is using some top and bottoms and some kind of a Bollinger Band setup. So we cannot and also using the pivot look back as well. RSI is also, so it's combination of the different indicators in all on one. You are getting it at one place. Okay, so how we are going to use this indicator? First of all, the quality thing, that if you look at this indicator, it is basically taking you towards the long trends. Okay, the signals are not much random like compared to the other indicators. So how we are using it? So basically we have three lines: the top one, the lower one, and the red one that is in the middle. So the best way is to that if you want to take a good entry, then sorry, then what you need to do, wait for all of the three bands to turn into the red color. And you can see here we are almost into the downtrend, and all of the moving averages that you can see on the screen, they turned red. Okay, you can set up a stop loss just above the moving average, and you can see that this has provided us almost 2.96 trading ratio here. Okay, so this is the losing trade here, because here we have the moving average as well, the upper and the lower bands were green as well, but the trend got changed, and then we went into the downward trend. And right now, if we talk about AUD/JPY, it's running into the upward trend. Okay, so you can use this indicator in stocks, forex, and crypto market futures as well. Okay, now one thing, like you have a green background here, so do not take any trade, because if you just look on the whole bands, they are completely into red. So this is the downward prediction for the market, so do not try to go against anything. Like this is the good example, like Great Britain pound AUD trend started to go bullish right from here, where everything turned into green color, and you will be setting the stop loss at the low of the market, and you can see how beautifully it has provided us with the trade. Like still this is ongoing for us, and almost it has provided something like 4 ratio. Okay, so this indicator has a very good potential to provide you longer rides as well. Okay, like where you see a mix of the combination like here, then you do not need to take the trade. At least wait for everything to turn red or green. Okay, and you can also use the other indicators that you are already using as a combination. So this could be the best option for you. So guys, this is all about the today's video, and moreover, please do not forget to subscribe the new YouTube channel Secret Trading Unmasked. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.